Welcome to today's video. If you've ever dreamed of working in Austria, then you're in the right place. Austria is known for its strong economy, high quality of life, and diverse job opportunities, especially in industries like IT, healthcare, tourism, and engineering. In this video, we will break down the process of getting a job in Austria, covering work visas, job search platforms, application tips, and what to expect once you land a job. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any crucial information. Step 1. Understand Austria's job market. Austria has a highly skilled workforce, so competition can be tough. However, there are many opportunities for skilled workers, especially in technology, engineering, healthcare, construction, and hospitality. The country has a demand for professionals in IT, software development, mechanical engineering, nursing, and skilled trades. If you speak German, you'll have a significant advantage. But English-speaking jobs also exist, especially in international companies. Step 2. Check visa requirements. If you're an EU citizen, you don't need a visa to work in Austria. If you're from a non-EU country, you'll likely need a work visa. The most common work permits include White Red Card. This is for skilled professionals in high-demand fields. It allows you to work and live in Austria for up to 24 months. To qualify, you need a job offer and must meet a points-based system based on education, experience, age, and language skills. EU Blue Card, this is for highly qualified professionals who have a job offer, with a minimum salary threshold which changes yearly. It provides an easier path to permanent residency after working in Austria for a set period. Job Seeker Visa. If you don't have a job yet but have the right skills, you can apply for a 6-month Job Seeker Visa. This visa is competitive, and you need to demonstrate your qualifications and ability to find work within that time. To apply for any of these visas, you will generally need a valid passport, proof of relevant qualifications and experience, a job offer except for the Job Seeker Visa, health insurance, proof of financial means to support yourself until you start earning. If you're in a regulated profession like medicine, engineering, or law, you may need your qualifications recognized by Austrian authorities before applying for jobs. Step 3. Find job opportunities. Use job search websites to find vacancies. Some of the best platforms include Austria www. AMS. At the official Austrian Employment Service, euresec.europa.eu/EURES, great for EU job seekers. LinkedIn www.linkedin.com, network with professionals and apply for jobs. www.karriere. At one of Austria's top job boards. Stepstone Austria, opening parenthesis www.stpstone. At a popular job site for different industries. Networking is crucial. Join industry-related LinkedIn groups. Attend job fairs and connect with people working in Austria. Contact recruitment agencies that specialize in your field. Step 4. Prepare a strong application. Austrian employers expect a well-structured application, which includes a professional CV. Keep it concise, 1-2 pages, list experience, education, and skills clearly. Use the Europus CV format if applying to government jobs or international companies. A cover letter tailored to the job, explaining why you're a good fit. Avoid generic templates. Instead, highlight specific achievements and how they align with the company's goals. Relevant certificates and qualifications. Some professions require official recognition of foreign degrees. If your qualification is not from an EU country, you might need to go through an Austrian equivalency process and Erkennung. Common mistakes to avoid: typos and grammatical errors. Sending generic applications instead of customized ones. Not including a professional email or contact information. Using a non-standard CV format, stick to clear, structured layouts. Many Austrian employers appreciate applicants who include a photo on their CV, but this is not mandatory. If German is required for the job, ensure that your application is in German or have a bilingual version ready. Step 5 is the interview process. Many companies conduct initial interviews online, so prepare for video interviews. Research the company, its values, and job responsibilities before the interview. Dress professionally and be prepared for questions like, why do you want to work in Austria? What skills do you bring to this role? How do you handle challenges at work? If the job requires German, practice answering common interview questions in German. Show enthusiasm and confidence, but remain professional and respectful. At the end of the interview, prepare a few questions to ask the employer about the role, company culture, or growth opportunities. Step 6. Moving to Austria and settling in. Once you get a job, your employer may help with relocation, but you'll need to arrange housing and register your address. Housing. You must register at the local Meldeamt, residence registration office, within 3 days of moving to Austria. Apartment rentals can be expensive in major cities like Vienna, so consider looking in suburban areas for more affordable options. Living costs. Austria has a high standard of living, and while salaries are competitive, ensure your salary covers housing, utilities, and daily expenses. On average, rent in Vienna for a one-bedroom apartment is between 700 to 1,200 per month. Language. While English is commonly spoken in business settings, learning basic German is crucial for daily life, opening bank accounts, and dealing with government offices. Consider enrolling in German language courses. Some cities offer free integration courses. Health insurance and banking. Health insurance is mandatory in Austria, and employers usually enroll their workers in the public health system. If self-employed or arriving with a job seeker visa, you may need to get private health insurance. Open an Austrian bank account to receive your salary. Banks like Erste Bank, Raiffeisen, and Unicredit are popular choices. Finding a job in Austria takes time and effort, but with the right approach, it's absolutely possible. Start by researching in-demand jobs, applying strategically, and networking effectively. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more career and travel-related content. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your job search in Austria.